heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone paid me. But the passengers, they know right from wrong. For the people, they said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People, they said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people, they said, beware, you're on a heavenly trip. They said, beware, you scuttle the ship. And the devil will drag you under with the net tie round your wicked throat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, ha ha ha, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank, and I hollered, someone save me. That's the moment I woke up, thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. I said to myself, sit down, you're rocking